Immune Mediated Hemolytic Anemia, also called IMHA, is an autoimmune disease in which the body's immune system attacks its own red blood cells. This results in anemia, which is a condition that occurs when there are not enough red blood cells to efficiently distribute oxygen to tissue throughout the body. The most common symptom of IMHA pets first experience is lethargy. Your dog or cat will not be as energetic, playful, or engaged as usual, and this is directly related to the lack of blood hemoglobin that distributes oxygen throughout the body. Next is a lack of appetite, where an animal does not enthusiastically eat or finish their meal. A third common symptom is a condition called jaundice. Jaundice occurs due to an increase in a yellow substance called bilirubin that results from the breakdown of red blood cells and is typically noticed when the whites of the eyes turn yellow. When the symptoms of lethargy and lack of appetite are disregarded and viewed as just off days, this can delay treatment until a pet's condition becomes quite serious. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's a good idea to check your pet's gums. If the typically pink, healthy gums have turned pale, this is a telltale sign of anemia, and an immediate visit to the vet is required. There are two types of IMHA: primary IMHA and secondary IMHA. Primary IMHA is often considered idiopathic because there is no discernible underlying cause that has been identified. Secondary IMHA is due to an identified trigger that causes the immune system to inappropriately attack red blood cells. At the Pet Health and Nutrition Center, we believe that two of the most common causes of IMHA in our companion animals are vaccinations and flea and tick pesticide treatments. This is because anything that creates an immune reaction or inflammation in the body has the potential to cause IMHA, and this includes any chemicals or toxins to which the body is exposed. IMHA is considered to have a poor prognosis in dogs, with mortality rates reported at up to 70%. Immune-mediated hemolytic anemia is one of the most common manifestations of canine immune-mediated disease. Yet treatment regimens remain non-standardized in the veterinary community. Because treatment regimens tend to vary among institutions and veterinarians, unfortunately, mortality rates also vary. Animals diagnosed with IMHA will typically be placed on an immune system suppressor, such as a corticosteroid medication, which is important to slow destruction of red blood cells. Other treatments may include additional immunosuppressive medications, antibiotics, blood thinners, or even a blood transfusion if blood values drop far enough to place the animal's survival at risk. Pet parents of animals with IMHA should keep in mind that any future exposure to vaccines, chemicals, or toxins of any sort will often lead to a resurgence of the animal's autoimmune condition. At the Pet Health and Nutrition Center, our holistic IMHA protocol is a blend of science and years of experience dealing with this serious health issue. It is evident from current mortality rates that animals with IMHA need nutritional support, in addition to medications that address IMHA symptoms. That is why we feel it is vital that dogs and cats get started on our holistic IMHA protocol as soon after diagnosis as possible. The supplements and herbal remedies in this protocol have been formulated to be used along with medications prescribed by your veterinarian, so you don't have to wait. Daily Multi Plus is our foundational supplement that provides digestive enzymes and probiotics, along with USDA organic super nutrients to promote an animal's health and vitality. Immune Balance provides USDA organic herbs that help to modulate the immune system and support liver health in an alcohol-free glycerite. Biopreparation provides powerful cellular nutrition that easily passes through the digestive tract to feed cells on a cellular level. And finally, Chloroxygen provides a concentrated source of chlorophyll that helps to promote red blood cell production and their oxygen-carrying capacity that is so vital for an animal with IMHA. Pet Health and Nutrition Center. Helpful by nature.